This video is on the new small block Chevy I'm building for the 93 OBS. I'm doing this is a 350 block, high nickel, 4-bolt main. It's all cleaned up, ready for a little machining, and putting it back together. And then this is the crank I'm going to use. It's a Scat standard on the mains and rods. It's a nodular iron crank. I'm not going to be tacking her up too high, so I don't really think I need a still crank. And then this is the windage tray I'm going to be using, because I'm going with roller lifters. And then using 30 over 5.7 rod pistons, Autotec, King rod and main bearings, and then Scat forged 4150 I-beam rods. And then this is the new lifters they're out with, the Canton rollers and the Canton cam, and then the push rods. And the cam is LSA 113 because I'm running fuel injection, and it's about 218 on the duration, 220 somewhere in there. I don't remember exactly. About 550 lift. And then this is all the parts that are getting put back on. Here's the Holley Hi-Ram. Got the lid down, getting powder coated now. Roller chain, timing gear and sprockets. And then there's the rocker arms, and everything's here. Getting ready to clean it up and put it back on. Well, put it all back together. And then here's the heads that I'm using, Brodix IK 200s, 202 valves, 64cc chambers. Just changed out the springs to the springs that go with that cam, comp cam Beehive springs, and then I went from 3/8 push rods back down to 5/16 push rods, so changed the guide plates. Got them all cleaned up, ready to go back on. Just wait for it to warm up a little. I'm too old to work when it's this cold, so yeah, that's what I'm doing. Thanks for watching.